And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash. Kitten Talk. Welcome to Germany. Welcome to Iran.
How did the makers drip?
Okay, ready? Oh, this one. We already put them here. Okay? Here you go. Keep walking.
Welcome to Brazil. I am Sea Lion leader Sadie Harris with the final announcements for the year. Congratulations, Sea Lions! We are officially in the final week of the school year. You should be proud of how hard you've worked all year long. The seniors from LaSalle High School are visiting McGaw on Monday morning. Let's celebrate all they've accomplished. 5th grade is going on their trip to the beach at 10. Make sure you remember to have raw behavior in the community. Mr. Poppin will be delivering books and visiting classrooms all day on Tuesday. Thank you, Mr. Poppin. Promotion practice is happening on Tuesday at 8:15 in the morning for all 5th grade. The fun doesn't stop for 5th graders. The best day ever is on Tuesday. Have fun. You've earned it. 4th grade begins their Apple Valley Day experience on Tuesday. Field day begins at 12:45. Wednesday is College Day. Support your favorite university by wearing college gear. Apple Valley Days continues for 4th grade on Wednesday. Your field day will begin at 9 a.m. in the morning. The 5th grade carnival begins on Wednesday at 10. Have fun in the sun! Thursday is the last day of school. Congratulations, Sea Lions, on your successful learning, making new friends, and growing as a good citizen. You should be proud of yourself. 5th graders have their promotion at 9 a.m. We're looking forward to celebrating with our Seal Beach community. Report cards will be viewable by parents on Friday using Illuminate. Check Parent Square for instructions. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great summer.
Let's practice gratitude by congratulating the Honorary Service Award winners at McGaw Elementary School.
Sarah Riley, love you so much.
Ryan Sims, I love you, Dad.
Miss Wendy Wood, thank you for being so caring.
Jen Rodenberg Group, congrats.
Miss Tina Hinland, thank you for everything that you do to make everyone show up when they're sad.
Miss Asia Villalobos,
Thank you for your service at McGaw Elementary School. I love you, Mom.
love you too.
Thank you, Miss Amelia Harris, for spending so much time at McGaw. Thank you, Mom. We love you.
Congratulations, Miss Debbie Mueller. We love you.
Julia Pastor, thank you for everything that you do for this school and the community.
And now let's say thank you to all the teachers and staff that have made a huge difference at McGaw over the years. Thank you, and we'll miss you so much.
Thank you, Miss Bain, for being a lovely PE teacher. Thank you!
Linda Leparco and Eileen Karen. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, Miss Bassage, and we wish you the best. Thank you for all your help.
Thank you, Miss Price.
Thank you, Miss Houston. Thank
Thank you, Miss Yuson. We love you.
Thank you, Mr. Bye,
And finally, thank you so much to Anne-Marie Trumbo and Danielle Grissom for all you've done to support our Sea Lions.
McGaw Sea Lions practice gratitude every single day.
Hey, go Roebuck!
Nice! Congratulations, Sea Lions, on earning 2,595 Robux throughout the year. We're so proud of you and so grateful to the teachers and staff that wrote Robux.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Let's kick things off by celebrating UTK student from Miss Tochioka's class. Put your hands together for Ruby Lamphere. She got a Robux for exhibiting raw behavior all year long. Way to go.
Kindergarten.
We didn't have any Robux winners this week in kindergarten, so someone's going to get a surprise token from Mr. Larson. I wonder if it's going to be you.
First grade.
Congratulations to first grader from Miss Monteleone's class, Lincoln Yoon. Miss Monteleone said that Lincoln's work is always exceptional. Thank you, Lincoln, for being a great role model in the first grade.
Second grade.
Miss Lee wants to shout out Grayson Kabasa. She said that Grayson saw leftover food items on the lunch table when we arrived. He cleaned the table and threw away the trash without being asked. Thank you, Grayson, for being a good citizen in our community.
Third grade.
Congratulations to third grader from Miss Aniceto's class. Put your hands together for Riley Henning. Miss Aniceto said that Riley was participating beautifully in our literature discussion. Thanks, Riley.
Fourth grade.
Mrs. Samari wants to say thank you to fourth grader Bella Rosales. She said that Bella was extremely helpful on the Sacramento trip. She was patient and flexible. Thanks so much, Bella.
Fifth grade.
Congratulations to the final fifth grade Robux winner. Put your hands together for Chase Radich. Chase got a Robux for outstanding scholarship and excellent decision making. We appreciate all students just like you who have made McGaw a special place to learn and grow as a citizen of Seal Beach. Thanks so much, buddy. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.